All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit card to get rewards back. A couple of my favorites, Drip Network and Splassive. Both of these are hitting real good. Get 365% back with Drip, 1% a day, and get 2% a day with Splassive. All kinds of good stuff. Well, today we're talking about Saitama. What's going on with them in Dubai? There was all kinds of things going on with their NFTs. Saitama's NFT game Shiro had a lot of eyeballs on it in Dubai, and a lot of people are liking this NFT game. We're going to dig into that a little bit, do a little price prediction on Saitama and what's going on with Saitama. Is it popping? Is it not popping? All kinds of good stuff. Talk about Apecoin for a second in there, and then we're also going to talk about the gas prices. Oh my God, the gas prices are killing us. This doesn't seem like it's happening, that things are going to change anytime soon. All right, good episode today. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos, or go on this channel to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yes, one day own some cryptocurrency. All right, everybody, let's head over to Saitama. All right, over here at CoinMarketCap, Saitama is $29.56 on the coin market. It's up 3% for today, down 2% for the week. Clicking it. All right, over here to the right, it's up 3%. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros and 11.52. So it is up for today, which is fantastic. So in the last 24 hours, it is up. In the last 7 days, it is down a little bit. But we got some great news that's going on with Saitama. So what's the news going on? Right here, Saitama's NFT game Shiro grabs eyeballs at the crypto expos in Dubai. So this is pretty big. The second edition of the crypto expos in Dubai, the event where investors and crypto industry leaders get to network and explore business opportunities in the space, had a great event a week or so ago. Today, as I highlighted in earlier articles, prominent names from this space, including Impact XP, Saitama, Sonobi, and things pre-planned the Mega Crypto Festival. All right, so what is going on here? How things have been planned out for Saitama so far. Sticking to the schedule, a particular video of him saying it's called Wolfpack. Start doing the rounds on the crypto Twitter. Now, this is a nice little, cute little thing. This guy was at the, here we go, we'll just play it.
Wolfpack.
Let's go Wolfpack.
Join the Wolfpack.
Let's go Wolfpack.
Wolfpack.
Let's go.
Here we go, Saitama Mask.
You Saitama.
All right, everybody, join the Wolfpack. So you have so many achievements and fit for one single pick. The Wolfpack together, the most transparent project award, and lots of celebrities visit. I mean, getting the most transparent award, come on, that's awesome, everybody. Again, some more pictures here. The Wolfpack was in pleasure in the meeting. So it looks like they had a great time there, out there in Dubai. So it looks like everything was great. And guess what? All kinds of eyeballs. Leaving aside the celebrity appearance, Saitama stalls additionally boosts of host accessories. Among them, Shiro managed to steal the spotlight. As such, Shiro is an exclusive NFT trading card game that intends to revolutionizing the trading card game industry. Holy cow, everybody. Come check out the accessories of the NFT cards. So we'll blow this up a little bit. So these packs right here that you see, this is the NFT game, and they're going to try to take the world by storm. Now, you know how big Pokemon was and all these different games. Can you imagine a cryptocurrency game that you got to go and do things with blockchains and this and that? Lots of big things coming from Saitama. They stole the show. Shiro Phase 2 went live yesterday. In fact, the native Shiro token bagged a listing on MEX, M-E-X-C Global, per the official tweet. Yeah, so big things are going on here. So you definitely, Shiro, look at this. This is going to be big, everybody. Happy to announce that the Shiro official Kickstart has concluded, and the Shiro will be listed on MEX Global. So new listing, fantastic. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. So the NFT game stole the show. That's pretty big. We got little kids telling you to join the Wolfpack. Join the Wolfpack. I mean, that's kind of fun. Big things going on in Dubai. All right. let's go ahead and dig over to the gas prices real quick. It's a big subject matter. People aren't liking the gas prices. Oh gosh, how do you combat the gas prices? Let's head over and check it out. All right, here's our national, here's the whole country. Let's look over here. In Wyoming, the gas is $4 right now and 6 cents. Mexico, $4.14. Over here in Maine, $4.18. Up here in Washington, $4.72. California, almost kissing $6. All right, so here we go. Regular, mid-gas, premium, diesel. So currently, the average is $4.26. A year ago, $2.86. At $3.86. I mean, we're literally 40 to 50% up from where we were. That's not a good statistic, everybody. Current average, yesterday's average, a week ago's average. Look again a year ago. 2.87, 2.87. It's up a lot. So what are we going to do to combat this? How can you, gas calculator, you can kind of go here. This is the AAA website. You can go to gas calculator, select your location, figure out your miles. So I do have some solutions for everybody. Here we go. How do we combat it? You have to kind of think outside the box. You got to strategize. So you've heard me say this before, but we got new viewers every single day. You need to carpool. At the first thing is you need to carpool. So if you go to your job, which you do, find one of your friends. That friend drives 2 weeks. You drive 2 weeks. You cut out 50% of your drive time. Gas is outrageous right now. You're saving a boatload of money by doing that. The best strategy is to find 4 people in your city. Each one of you drive 1 week. You drive 1 week. Bob drives 1 week. Sally drives 1 week. Henry drives 1 week. You end up driving 25% of the week, saving 75% of the money. Tip number 1. Next thing, grocery shopping. You can't go grocery shopping 2 times a week anymore. You got to go grocery shopping for like once every 10 days because the gas is so expensive that you literally have to go there, not on the weekend and plan on coming back on the next weekend. You almost, I mean, I know that you spend, let's say you're used to spending $150, now it's $225. If you're used to spending $400 at the grocery store, now it's $600. I get it. But the price is the price. You need to buy more and go there less. Because if you buy 2 weeks of groceries, it sucks that you're paying $800 or if you're paying $200 each time, $400. But if you go there one time every 2 weeks instead of twice, that's saving money on the gas. Okay, you have to do that. Also, Walmarts and these different grocery stores will ship it to your house. You can go online, order your stuff, and they deliver right to your door. Even if there's a surcharge of a tipping fee or something that they have to throw on there, gas is so expensive that you have to think outside the box. So, all right, so some tips from Frank's Crypto Corner. Also, I talk about crypto tips and making side hustle money. TaskRabbit, all kinds of people are making money with TaskRabbit. Go check it out because literally I was reading an article, a college guy was making $130 a day, basically installing mounts, TV sets, and mounting things in pictures. Got out of college and he decided to go full-time. Boom, $10,000 to $14,000 a month installing TV sets and stuff. So check that out. All right, everybody. Gas prices aren't happy at all. Sending over to Apecoin for a second. All right, so this is the talk of the town. Everybody's learning about this Apecoin. So take a look as it spins around and spins around. So this was a coin, the Bored Yacht Apes Club. It's supposed to be connected to them. It's also supposed to be used for merch. A lot of people are liking it. Just kind of wanted to share it for a second on their Twitter account. Take a look at this. Snoop Dogg. Everybody knows Snoop Dogg, gin and juice and all that stuff. He says he smoked a bored eighth. Dropping a special project, Apecoin only. So he smoked the bored eighth. Did he smoke an eighth or a bored eighth? I don't know. But take a look. There's Snoop. I mean, I don't know if that's Snoop or not, but there's this. Yeah, that is. There's his little icon. There's his NFT and stuff like that. Fantastic. But you got Snoop using the Apecoin. Yeah, big things are going to happen. And right here, Apecoin is the ERC20 governance and utility token used to empower and decentralize the community, building at the forefront of Web3. So just wanted to share that real quick. So I wanted to show you this before I left. 39 Apecoin. I'm impressed that it's already in the top 100. The other day, this was up 1,200%. Right now, it's up 60% in the last week. But I mean, last week, it was up 900% and 1,200%. That's why we're doing a little minute on this. Keep this on your radar. Check it out. Apecoin, right here, APE. So just kind of doing a little segment on that. All right, head back and over to Saitama. All right, over here at Saitama's website, first fostering the future of finance. Welcome to Saitama, a community-driven platform promoting financial well-being by empowering people of all ages and cultures to be in control of their money and create their own wealth opportunity. The Saitama token is our medium. It was built on the Ethereum blockchain ERC20. It makes it safe to invest and beneficial to hold. I love this. I got to play it.
Welcome to Saitama Inu. We are a global community of committed individuals, building a platform that will help people understand money and create their own wealth opportunities. We come from different places. We speak different languages. We have different codes, but we share the same dream. We believe in a world bound together by human connection, and we foster this vision by building financial tools and a content publishing ecosystem that will make financial well-being accessible to people of different cultures, ages, and economic status. Start seeing returns today by investing in tomorrow. Join us at Saitama Inu.
And again, this is right on their website. I just want to read this real quick. What's their mission statement? To educate the next generation of investors and make financial well-being accessible to all. Although digital currency had been around for over a decade, we are still at the early stages of the revolution that will reorganize our society, redistribute the wealth, and giving anyone the chance to attain financial freedom. The bulk of the next generation of investors is yet to join. That's important. People that are getting into crypto and DeFi, they're not even in yet, some of these people. But for the global decentralized finance to become a reality, they will need to not only overcome the technology hurdles by simply understanding how money works. This is where Saitama comes in, providing tools and content that makes people comfortable with money while they invest, opening unprecedented opportunities for wealth creation. Gotta love Saitama, doing all kinds of things with the youth. They got NFT playing cards that are going to be a hit. What's our price prediction over here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros and 11.54. We think it's going to be 7 zeros and a 13.54. All our information is for educational purposes only. Do your own homework. We're all just friends here trying to learn together. All right, everybody. Saitama definitely won the most transparent award in Tabai. I mean, come on, pretty solid. NFTs took the show, their NFT card game. Come on, come on. Apecoin, Snoop Dogg, dogs talking about different things on the Twitter. And gas prices kind of high right this second, giving you strategies. Thanks for tuning in. Click right here to see our most recent video. Click over here to learn about Drip Network to get 365% back, 1% a day, every day. I'll also link my Splash account if you want to get into Splashive, 2% a day. All right, everybody, thanks for tuning in. Have a fantastic day. This is our journey in crypto and DeFi. We're doing it together. This is the way I'm actually documenting my journey. All right, everybody, have a fantastic day. We'll see you a little bit later.